Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide or show the left navigation sidebar or panel in Postman. Okay, so if you are new to Postman, it could happen to you. So it happened to me where when I opened Postman, I couldn't find the environments or the collections. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so here I have Postman, and when I open it, I don't see the collections or environments. So to actually show them, you just have to click this icon here. So I'm gonna click it, and now I see the left navigation sidebar or panel, that's what they call it. And I see the collections and environments. And to hide it, I will click it again. And if you are using Windows, you can actually use the key combination key \. So I just clicked key \, and I see the collections and environments. All right, so that's how you can quickly show or hide your left navigation sidebar or panel in Postman, especially in the new Postman, because it has a new interface. And actually this Postman that I'm using is, I believe this is, it's 12.20.4. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.